Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Quest for Umrah. Quest for Umrah is a quiz show that tests teams' Islamic knowledge and general knowledge. We have had teams from around the world contending against each other to see who will be the winners of this quest. The reward of the quest is Umrah, a blessed trip to Mecca and Medina. We are now in the second round of our testing, and we have with us Team Egypt, welcome, and Team Nigeria, welcome. This quest is up and down, we're going up and down. Sometimes you get it right, sometimes you don't. We don't know the outcome, so let's see how we do. Your question in geography is, where is Mount Kilimanjaro located? Is it Zimbabwe? Is it Australia? Is it Tasmania? Is it Argentina? Zimbabwe, Australia, Tanzania, or Argentina? Start the timer now, please. Well-known mount.
Number 3, Tanzania.
You say it's number 3, Tanzania. Let's check the answer, please. It is Tanzania. 3 points for you, doing very well, good stuff. Well, let's have a roundup of the points, please. Okay, Nigeria, you have started, but it's a bit slow on 5. Egypt, well done. You're in the lead with 12 points. Allahu Akbar. This can all change now, because we are now going to go into who is he or who is she. We are going to go into this section where 5 points is at stake. 5 points, Nigeria, that you desperately need. 5 points that can make the difference in your lead. So listen carefully while I recite to you the description. Who is she? She is one of the first people to embrace Islam. She emigrated to Ethiopia with her husband, Ja'far ibn Abi Talib, and both of them returned in 7 AH. After her husband, Ja'far, had been martyred in the Battle of Mut'ah, she got married to the first Caliph, Abu Bakr. When he died, she got married to Ali ibn Abi Talib. She was the one who undertook 2 migrations, prayed in the directions of both Qiblas, and got married to 2 martyrs, and got married to 2 Caliphs. Who was this blessed lady? Let's have a look at who you think this lady is. A review of the points. She was one of the first people to embrace Islam. She and her husband migrated. Yes. Okay, I see the answer. Excellent. We have an answer from you? Okay. We shall see. How much do you want these points, Nigeria? How much do you want these 5 points?
Last time we have 5 points.
Okay, this time, how much do you want it? Do you really want these 5 points?
Of course.
How about you? Can you risk leaving them?
No, we do need them.
Okay. We will start with you. You said this person is Asma bint Umais. You said, Team Nigeria, this person is Sulaim. The correct answer we were looking for, the one who married 2 Caliphs, is Asma bint Umais. Well done, it's 5 points for you. Allahu Akbar, very well done. Alhamdulillah. Nigeria, once again, bit of a knock, but now the team captain has given you the strength you need. Team captain, have you done what you need to do? Are you ready to lead these people?
We're ready, inshallah.
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
We're ready, inshallah.
I still can't hear you. Okay. Excellent. All right, let's go. We will start our next 2 sections. Our first section will be Quran. And the question for Egypt in Quran is, what is the greatest Quranic verse? Is it Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255, Baqarah 177, Yasin 56, or Nur 25. Start the timer now, please.
Number 1, Al-Baqarah.
You say it's number 1, Al-Baqarah. Okay, do you know what verse this actually is referring to?
Yes.
Which one?
Ayatul Kursi.
Ayatul Kursi. Okay. Is Team Egypt correct? Let's have a look. It is correct. It is Ayatul Kursi, which is the greatest Quranic verse. Alhamdulillah. 3 points for you there. Quran for Nigeria. This is where you should be getting your points now.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. Which is the longest Quranic verse? Is it Al-Baqarah 282, An-Nisa 25, Yasin 78, or Al-Baqarah 177? Start the timer now, please.
Question number 1.
You say number 1.
Wow.
Okay, let's check the answer for 3 points that you desperately need. Is it? It is. Alhamdulillah, 282. You're 3 points up.
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, it's working. Nigeria, it's working.
Allah khalikum.
It's working, it's working. We like it. Okay. They are on the comeback, Egypt. They are on the comeback. Let's have a look. Egypt. The points so far. 20 to Egypt. 8 to Nigeria. Let's see if Nigeria can come back. Let's see if Egypt can make this gap even bigger. Your question is, Quran. Egypt, how many prophets are mentioned in the Quran by name? Remember the question, by name. Is it 22, 23, 25, or 99? Start the timer now, please. Think of all the prophets that are mentioned.
The third
name by
one,
name.
25.
You say 25. 25 different prophets mentioned in the Quran. I'm not going to ask you to name them. Let's check the answer. It is the right answer. Allahu Akbar. Very well done. Egypt, you're doing very well here. Alhamdulillah. Nigeria, they are tough opponents.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
But we can see they'll all change. Let's see how you're doing. You're doing very well now. Let's have your question. How many Medini surahs are they? How many surahs were revealed in Medina? Was it 26, 32, 28, or 78? Start the timer now, please.
Number 1.
You say number 1. 26 surahs.
No.
Let's check the answer. Unfortunately, it was 28 surahs that were revealed. No problem. Again, it's just the 3 points you've lost there, but we can come back. You're doing very well. Excellent teamwork. Captain, be happy of your team. They're upholding Egypt very well. Okay, let's have your question. Let's try and increase that gap. How many Meccan surahs are there? Is there 86, 88, 82 or 89? Start the timer now, please. Meccan surahs revealed in Mecca.
Number 3, 82.
You say it's 82. The correct answer is 86 surahs. Unfortunately, that was not the right answer. There was 86 surahs that were revealed in Mecca. So, Nigeria, you see you're back in the game. There's no problem.
Inshallah.
Keep smiling, we will do it.
No problem.
Beautiful. Alright. Your question on Quran. He used to be a scribe for the revelation. Was he Muawiyah? Was it Amr ibn al-As? Was it Musab ibn Umayr? Or was it Zayd ibn Thabit? Start the timer now, please. The person who used to write and scribe when revelation used to come back.
Number 4.
You say it's number 4. Zayd ibn Thabit. How strong are you on this? How strong do you feel, Team Nigeria? You need these 3 points. You said it's Zayd ibn Thabit. You need these 3 points. Come on, is it right or wrong? It is the right answer. Allahu Akbar. Zayd ibn Thabit. Good. Very good. Okay, the points so far now. Egypt, you're on 20. You're in the lead, doing very well. Nigeria, you're coming up at 11 points. Let's see if the next round will make the difference. We are now going to go on to history. Okay. Team Egypt. History questions. Your question will be, the cause of the decline of the New Kingdom after 1200 BC was Hittite aggression, a power struggle, a wave of invasions, or trade with Africa. Start the timer now, please. Decline of a very large kingdom. What was it?
Number 2, power struggle.
You say it's a power struggle. Was it a power struggle that caused this decline? Let's check your answer. It wasn't a power struggle. Unfortunately, the right answer we were looking for was a wave of invasions. The ball is in your court, Nigeria. Okay, unfortunately, you will have to wait. And viewers, you will have to wait too. So stay tuned. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So great and marvelous, lighting can pass it all over. The Kaaba, so great and marvelous, lighting can pass it all over.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Quest for Umrah. We are now in the second round of our testing. We'll have your first question for history. The Assyrian Empire expanded through number 1, trading partnerships, military conquest, political alliances, or number 4, a rise in population. Think about your answer. Let's start the clock now, please. Was it trade? Was it military? Was it population? Was it political?
Number 3.
You say number 3,
No.
political alliance. It sounds good, but is it right? We can only check. It's not, unfortunately. We were looking for military conquest is the right answer that helped this empire grow. We still have chances. Okay. Our team Egypt. What occurred in India between the Mauryan and Gupta empires? Was it increased trade? Or was it centralized government? Or was it rise of Handra dynasty? Or was it political alliances? Start the clock now, please. Our last team said political alliances for the
Number
last question.
4, political alliances.
You say number 4, political alliances. Is that what we're looking for? Let's check the answer. It's not. It was a centralized government that occurred. Okay. We'll have another question. See if we do better this time. Alright. So far, the scores is 20 for Egypt and 11 for Nigeria. So alhamdulillah, we still have some good scores here. Let's see if we can make them better. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Your question is, as people came under Chinese rule, the Han empires encouraged what? Enslavement, assimilation, religious tolerance, or local autonomy. Start the timing now, please. So as the Chinese rule came in power, talk amongst each other, think about it.
Number 1.
You say number 1, enslavement. Were the people enslaved? Were they encouraged? Let's check your answer. It was not. It was assimilation of the people. Nigeria, this is not going well for you. The round is not going too well. So let's see if we can make this difference in the quick fire round. Okay. Your question of history. Egypt. The earliest known civilization in West Africa dates back to what year? Was it 1000 BC? Was it 750 AD? Or was it 500 BC? Or 1400 AD? Start the timer now, please. The earliest known civilization is what we're looking for in the West African region.
1480.
You say 1400 AD. Is that the right answer? Let's check it now, please. It was not 500 BC. We're not having a good track at the moment. Both teams are getting the questions wrong. Audience, I think they need some support. Come on, guys. Let's support our team.
Nigeria.
Okay.
Wake up, Egypt.
Wake up, Egypt is the call. Wake up, Nigeria is the call from the audience. Okay. Your last question, Nigeria. You can really do with these 3 points. Okay. The earliest inhabitants of the Americas migrated from Mexico, Siberia, Beringia, or Central America. So the earliest inhabitants of Americas, where will they migrate from? Let's start the timer now, please.
Number 2.
You say number 2, Siberia.
Siberia.
How much do you want these 3 points, Nigeria? Just how much do you want these 3 points?
95%.
95%? In this quest only 100% works. Let's see, is it right? Is the 95% going to get you there? It is getting you there. You're 95% paid off. Okay, let's check our scores now. At the end of this round, the scores is Egypt 20. You didn't do too well, unfortunately. Nigeria, you're catching up step by step. You're catching up. Your point is now 14. So now we are going to move on to the round that everyone is scared of. The round that makes the difference. The round that will send one of you back and the other forward in this quest. Who will be ending their quest today and who will carry on? We will know after the round of quickfire Q-zone round. Team captains, choose. Talk amongst each other. Who will enter the Q-zone for the quickfire round? Our viewers, we will tell you while they are talking. This quickfire round, each question you can earn 3 points. The timing will be 3 minutes. As many questions as possible will be given. And we will see at the end who will go through. Have you made your decision?
Yes.
Let's take your place in the quickfire zone. Have you made your decision? Take your place in this quickfire round. Inshallah, viewers, we hope that many of these questions you got right, and you've learned a lot today as well. The rules, my friends, are very simple. Try your best and you shall be successful. Be quick, do not waste time. I will not waste too much time on each person. If you don't know, I will move on. How do you think you're going to do?
I'll do well, inshallah.
Is this the first time you're here?
No, this is the second time.
Second time?
Yes.
Okay, so you have some experience. Nigeria?
Yeah.
Is this the first time you've entered the quick zone?
Yeah.
Alright, so you don't know how it's going to be. I will tell you now, it's not going to be easy.
Yeah.
But you must be fast and clever.
I will.
Okay. Let's start the timer now, please. And your first question, what is paper made from?
Paper made of...
Next person, what is paper made of? From? Paper's made from wood? No one got that. What is the most intelligent mammal? The most intelligent mammal. Move on. The most intelligent mammal.
Monkey.
No, it's dolphin. Okay, where is Al Jazeera TV based?
Qatar.
Yes, 3 points for you. What are the names of the 2 angels who taught people magic? The names of the 2 angels that taught people magic. Names of the 2 angels.
Harut wa Marut.
Excellent, 3 points for you. Okay, what is an anaconda?
Big snake.
A big snake, well done. How do you spell plastic?
P-L-A-S-T-T-I-C.
P-L?
A-S-T-T-I-C.
No, wrong. It's P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Okay, what is the capital of Libya?
Trablus.
No, capital of Libya? Tripoli is the capital of Libya. Okay, where is Abra from?
Sorry?
Abraha.
Habasha. Abyssinia.
Yes, 3 points for you. Okay, how many weeks in 8 months? Come on, Nigeria, come on. Think. How many weeks in 8 months? No, 24. Okay, in France, what can't Muslim girls wear in school?
Hijab.
Yes, correct. 3 points for you. What animal is canine? What animal is canine?
Mammal.
Which animal is a canine? Come on, the pressure's on. You're buckling. Which animal is canine?
A human.
No, it's a dog. Okay, what does MPH stand for?
PH.
MPH, what does MPH stand for, Nigeria? Come on. MPH. Miles per hour. Okay. What is Porsche?
Porsche?
Yes.
I don't know.
Last minute, come on. What is Porsche? What is Porsche? Okay, what is Porsche? A Porsche. It's a type of car. Type of car, come on. Last 40 seconds now. The third Islamic month in the calendar is called what, Nigeria? The third Islamic month. Come on, Nigeria. Think fast. Okay, next. What is the third month in the Islamic calendar?
ربيع أول.
Yes, excellent, well done. What is the currency of South Africa? What is the currency of South Africa? Last 15 seconds, last 15 seconds. What? Say something, come on. Okay,
What's
next
this?
one, it's the rand. Okay, how many sides does octagon have? Last 6 seconds.
7.
No, it's 8. Where is the sacred river in India? What is the sacred river in India? Last few seconds. Say it. It's the Ganges. Unfortunately, you didn't do too well, Nigeria. You buckled under the pressure. It's not easy coming to the Q zone, but you never made it. Take your seat back, please. Egypt, you take your seat back. You did well. Let's review our points. Teams, we never said it was going to be easy. The team that's going to be going through to the next round is Egypt with 38 points, and unfortunately Nigeria 14 points. We'll have to say goodbye to you. Very sorry. Okay, so we say goodbye to our brothers from Nigeria. Team Egypt goes ahead. Stay with us. Our next episode, we will see who through is going to go to our next round. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
You